Ngayong araw, April 11 nag-celebrate ng ika-34th birthday si Kim Chu. Mapapansin sa video na kuha sa surprise ng dalawang best friend ni Kim na sina Bella Padilla at Angelica Panganiban.
Happy birthday, Kim! Eh.
Thank you.
Dalawa lang tayo na iwan.
Happy
Happy
birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Upay na ka na.
Hi, B.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Asan na yung sounds nyo? Sounds mo. On mo na. Ay! Patugtog mo yun! Sige na! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy
Thank you.
Make a wish!
Acting na acting. Ano-ano.
Sa naturang birthday surprise kay Kim Chu, ay halatang wala si Paolo Avellino, pero bago pa man ang birthday ni Kim ay nagkasama na ang dalawa kung saan ay may kaparihong birthday month si Kim na kasamahan nila sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim.